You're looking at the capybara, the world's largest rodent. But don't let that word fool you. This animal isn't just big, it's unbelievably chill. Capybaras can grow up to 140 pounds and live in groups near rivers and wetlands in South America. They're excellent swimmers, able to hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes, perfect for escaping predators. But here's what really makes them famous. They get along with almost every animal. Monkeys ride on their backs, birds sit on their heads, and even crocodiles leave them alone. Why? Because capybaras stay calm, don't pick fights, and mind their own business. Whether soaking in hot springs in Japan or relaxing in muddy waters in Brazil, the capybara has become a symbol of peace, relaxation, and good vibes.